What's up bafflers, James Whitworth here. Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? Well, not very well if you don't water it. Today I'm going to have a look at the Crenova expandable garden hose, designed to go all the length without taking up loads of space. I've picked a version that extends all the way to 30 meters or 100 feet. So where is it? Well, I had it delivered by drone by Amazon, so the box is outside. Okay, not really, it is outside though. As always, you'll find the best Amazon deals around the world using the Genius link in the description. Let's have a look. To the garden we go. What's inside this wonderful Amazon box? Open it and you'll find a hole. Not sure what happened there, maybe the drone got stuck in a tree. Hopefully everything is intact. Inside this bag you'll find a very nice bag, with a drawstring and ventilation mesh, handy for drying a drenched hose. Crenova! Let's remove the hose and wow, it looks very unusual indeed. Kind of alien worm thing, but in a good way. There's plenty of it, so luckily the drawstring bag has generous space. More size options in the description. Let's get back to the hose later. There's another small package inside containing the spray nozzle and attachments. I wish the attachments were black or red though. The spray nozzle is made of metal that's painted gold with a stylish rubber grip handle and ergonomic design. Last but not least, the hose hanger. This can be easily screwed onto your wall, so your hose is always ready. I'll show the hose hanger in action later. The hose material feels very high quality with a double latex core. Paired with brass, not plastic connectors, it feels built to last. The spray nozzle features 7 functions. Ready? Shower, gentle and wide spray. Flat, very wide. Soaker, like a tap, you can fill a watering can using the clip to keep it on. Mist. Very misty and for some reason Oscar's favourite. Centre, a cool circle spray. Jet, for people who annoy you. Angle, like centre but a softer mist. You can also adjust the water flow. It collects a lot of water inside the hose, so you can fill it, turn off the tap and water your whole garden. Oh, when the hose is full, don't do this. The attachments come joined together, but one part is for the tap and the other is for the spray nozzle. Make sure you use the supplied washer so it functions properly. Measuring time. I'm not one to exaggerate length, so I need to make sure everything is in check. Introducing the all new unreliable way to measure hose pipes. Anyway, it's roughly 10.5 meters or 34 foot when empty. Now for the fun part. When you fill up the hose, the alien worm theme continues. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it wiggles around and moves on its own. Weird. A very clever design though, as it expands to 3 times its original length. Now full up, my makeshift measuring system is even more shambles. I can say it's at least 90 foot or over. It also depends on your water pressure, but on a good day it will expand to 100 feet no problem. Overall, the Crenova expandable hose is a premium feel with great materials. Unlike traditional hose pipes, this hose is lightweight and doesn't tangle or fold over. Great! Plus, I've also used an expandable hose previously, but this one has a much higher quality construction. When you're done, use the hose hanger to keep it ready for next time. Thanks for watching. Remember, you'll find all the best Amazon deals around the world using the Genius link in the description. If you're new around here, hit subscribe and ding the bell icon to never miss out on another video. A true baffler isn't complete without some sweet merch from techbaffle.com/shop. That's all for now. Drop a like if you've enjoyed this video. Any questions, let me know down below. Until next time, follow me at TechBaffle and stay curious at techbaffle.com.